Namaste. Today I am going to read chapter 10, OV 306, to the end of the chapter. Arjuna, still there is one more sign, more common. Listen to that, understand that is also my form. Wherever you are, you see wealth and compassion, both staying with one man, understand that is my form. Or there is only one sun in the sky, but in light spread all over the world. Like that, all people like orders only from this one man. You may want to call him alone and poor, but don't do so. Do all necessary things, walk along with Vishkau. Whenever, whomever asks whatever, she delivers that to him at once. Like that, all kinds of wealth in the universe are in his possession. Whole world follows his orders. This is the sign to recognize him. Hey clever Arjuna, understand, she is my incarnation. Now I am all this universe. So to select one as ordinary and the other extraordinary is a great sin. Then how should we think of difference between ordinary and good? Why should our own mind stain me by such difference? Why should we churn clear butter? Why should we cook nectar and reduce it to half? Hey, does wind have right and left side? If you go to tasting whether sun has front and back, you will ruin your vision. Like that, in my self form, there is nothing like ordinary and extraordinary. And now, can you measure me who has unlimited different forms? So, hey Arjuna, let us keep this aside. This entire world is occupied by my own parts, so abandon thought of differentiation and worship me thinking I am everywhere. Thus said God Sri Krishna, who is the spring in the forest of knowers and the destination of fate of detached ascetics. Then Arjuna said, Master, you said without proper consideration that the difference is different and we who abandon that are different. Does sun ask people to move darkness away? He doesn't. Like that, you should not be requesting. Put difference aside. How can I say you are impudent? That will be too much. When one has your name on his tongue and in his ears at any time and anywhere, the difference leaves his heart and run away. You are like this, Supreme Soul. My destiny has given me to you like a donation by pouring water on the hand. Then now you should look the difference how and where. Sir, when one says on entering in the heart of moon, it is hot here. Is it proper? But hey God, you are talking like this because of your greatness. Then God, extremely delighted, embraced Arjun and said, Arjuna, don't get angry at what I said. I told you about different forms by way of difference, whether or not you understood it well with neutral mind. To see that for a moment I tried the other way. Then I found out you understood diversity very well. Then Arjuna said to God, you know yourself whether I understood your different form or not. But I see all universe is filled with you. Sanjay said, Arjuna has accepted this experience. Dhritarashtra remained quiet on this. Sanjay felt sad in his heart and said to himself, when you get this by luck, isn't it wonderful to lose it? I was thinking that he knows, but he is blind in his mind just as he is blind in his eyes. Jnaneshwar says, Let's leave this talk of Sanjay. Arjuna is adding to his benefits. Even after getting this experience of diverse form, he has another unusual desire. He said to himself, what I experience in the mind, I should see that with my own eyes. I am having this strong desire in the mind. With these two eyes, I should see universe form of God. He is extremely lucky and so was hoping for this. Today, Arjuna is a branch of Vishnu, so it is not going to have sterile flowers. Whatever he wishes, the others, Sri Krishna, the sovereign soul, is going to fulfill that. And the word of Prahlada, he became everything along with poison. Arjuna had got him as a great mentor. So, how Arjuna will proceed with a request to show him the face of universe, I shall tell you that in the next episode. Thus said Jnanadev, disciple of Nivritti. Thank you very much. The end of 10th chapter. Thank you very much for listening this and join the next episode for the next time. Thank you very much again.